5 years of Comedy, Luxembourg's finest metal podcast. I mean, that's really an occasion to celebrate, right? And guess what we have, right? So we did a special this time to thank all of you out there who were supporting us over the last 5 years, through the good and through the bad times, obviously. And yeah, as you can tell, death metal logos are kind of sick. So this will be a very, very limited edition for this year's 5th anniversary of Comedy. We have very limited stock, honestly. And yeah, to show you the back, I mean, that is basically what we do here. We talk trash since 2020. That is the message. So if you're interested in this like very limited edition, let us know in the comments or send us a message and we'll get back to you. We will not put them on Bandcamp or any other, because we have, again, very limited and some are already pre-reserved. So I suggest that you hurry up. And yeah, thank you for all your support over the last year. It's been crazy, amazing. And yeah, we'll see where this journey will continue, but it will continue. And with that said, stay heavy and yeah, we see each other very soon. Cheers.